inspired by our stunning salon ceiling. In this video, we make decorative plaster ceiling moldings ourselves. The diameter of this grand ceiling ornament measures 180 centimeters, which is about 70.9 inches. In each corner, you'll notice an ornamental face, often seen in historic interiors, believed to serve a protective purpose. Taking inspiration from these details, we're attempting to create our own plaster ornaments. So we bought several different molds and got to work. After drying, we were finally able to start attaching our first handmade ornaments to the ceiling. Unfortunately, we made a dumb mistake while storing the ornaments we created, but we may still be able to salvage small pieces to use in the corners. And now we're moving on to another DIY project, giving my two stools new upholstery. Thanks for sharing in our chateau adventures. We hope to see you back here soon. And don't forget to subscribe to keep up with more of our French adventure.